Are you alright? Hey, you alright? What's what's wrong? You got a cramp? You serious? What's wrong? What happened, fool? What the fuck? What is it, a cramp? Are you serious? You wanna go to the hospital or what? Kelly. I think your brother broke his leg. For real, he's in bed. I think he really did. He woke up and he got all scared and he like danced real quick. It was funny, but he's really insane. For real. Hey, you want to go to the hospital? You're right. You want to go to the doctor, dude?
So instead of searching for deals out there, you get everyday low prices right here. Savings look better. Walmart. Good girl at the Maple Lodge. Christmas fair, Christmas fair, hanging with friends on the coolest winter. It's fun to lift off in Maple Lodge. Eat so perfect.